Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm ready to share my another techniques. Cross button of this level. Base of 32. Subscribers and viewers. This is level 1. Step 1, level 1 of strategy of this level. Magdandahan po sa paggaya nito. To all beginners. How to use button, cross button and kick. Magdahan-dahan po sa paggaya nito. Guys, first step is to be like this. Make sure your hand is to be like this. And kick. Yan. And kick. To all beginners. For that, please subscribe, click the notification bell, also follow my Facebook and TikTok. To all beginners, step 1, level 1 of strategy. Cross button and kick. First, turn, back, and then kick. And to all beginners, sa mga terminologies natin, sige no? As the best, as cross button, balik na. Turn, kick. Again. Make sure kapag use mo ng gamit mo ng cross button guys is naka ilap ka. Ayos to ba like this? If you can attack cross button, step right. If you use in a right techniques, attack first, step right. Attack button, cross button. Now if you can use left-hander, if you're left-hander, use step left. Sa ganitong klaseng level, may mga damo siya guys. So guys no? Yan. Kick or right kick. Back, kick. Again, either left or right. Kung saan ka komportable. Kung ikaw ay left-hander, step left. If you can attack a left technique. Back, then kick. If you can kick your right, turn to be like this. Your hand has to be positioned to be like this and kick. Now, if you can use right na button to be like that, attack to be like this. Step forward your right foot. Kick forward. Now, if you can attack, if you can kick the right step and twist your body as to be like that. Turn cross button. Put your hand to be like that. Huwag mo i-ganon yung kamay mo guys dahil tatamaan. To avoid accident. To all beginners, step 1, level 1 of this strategy. Cross baton and karate do technique. I want to say hi, hello to all my students. Yan, shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so, marami-rami kayo, kaya shout out sa inyong lahat. Ayan, so, step to baliktad. To all the pilots. Ano? Mga student natin dyan. Ito baliktad. Tak. Has to be like this. Ha! Ha! Again. All beginners, step 1, level 1 of this strategy. Of this level. So guys, no? Put your hand to baliktad. Either nakaposisyon ka ng ganito guys, or nakaganito. Oops! Okay. Ayan guys, napakalakas ng hangin. Ayan guys, no? Tutumbay ang ating tripod. Ayan guys, no? Gan? Of this strategy. Please be careful to use and handle this. Okay guys, no? Malakas guys, nasa bangin tayo. Ayan yung cellphone natin guys. Muntik na mahulog sa bangin. Ayan guys, no? Ayan guys. Sa ganitong klaseng strategy. So guys, no? Step 1, level 1 to all beginners. Ayan, so guys, no? Ayan, so guys. Sa ganitong klaseng strategy. So guys, no? Step, tabalik. Kick. Again. So guys, no? Pagpamanin nyo guys, nag-iisa tayo kay nalaglag yung cellphone natin. So guys, no? Napakalakas ng hangin. So guys, no? To all beginners, again. Step 1, level 1. Cross baton, karate do techniques of this strategy. Of this level. Again. If you attack, right handle. In baton. Step right. Your hand will put like this. If you can kick the left, turn to baliktad. Okay? To all beginners, step 1, level 1, cross baton, karate do techniques. Has to be like this. Please be careful to use and handle this. Again, has to be like this. Cross baton, karate do techniques, step 1, level 1. To all beginners. Again, make sure yung hand mo guys is naka-bend ito. Learn how to roll your joint. So, paano mo guys ma-roll yung joint mo. So guys, no? Your hand both to be like this. Huwag mo ilagay dito guys dahil tatamaan to avoid accident. Huwag mo biruin guys, pwede tatama sa mukha mo o tatama sa kamay mo kung ikaw ay magkakamali. To be a proper use a cross baton. Both your hand to be like that and turn to be like this. To avoid accident. To all beginners. Guys, no? Kick. Guys, no? Has to be like this. Again. Guys, no? Ha! Ha! Thank you so much. Again. To all beginners. Again, oh. Stay natin, guys. Drop into baliktad. Okay? Step your right. Step your right hander. Kick. And kick. Again. Ha! Thank you so much. And share again more techniques. Apologize again sa mga nagre-request. I have so very shortage of my equipment. Guys, no? YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, please give me a chance. I-monetize mo na yung channel ko. Sige, so share again ang mga iba pang mga techniques. Sige, so thank you so much and